Hello, dear friends. This is Phone Support Channel. Before you start watching this video, please subscribe to the channel and give it a like. And also write your feedback in the comments if this video helps you, or if you have any questions. Thank you. In this video, I want to show and tell you how to pin a chat in WhatsApp. For example, you want to pin a chat. Watch and repeat after me. To do this, you go into the app itself. For example, I open my chats, and I select this chat right here. I grab and pinch this chat, and then I swipe to the side, and this is where the button appears, Pin. I press this button. After that, our chat is pinned, and now it will be at the top of the list. In the same way, you can unpin this chat so that it goes back to its original place. Just repeat the same actions. As you can see, this is a very simple and quick way. Done. There's nothing complicated at all. If you like this video, put likes and subscribe to the channel, and also watch other useful videos on the channel. That was Phone Support. Bye bye. See you later.